Hi guys, welcome to Cocinando con los Wits. Today I'm gonna show you how I make this delicious rice that it always comes so perfect and so flavorful. It's not just regular white rice, it's the Mexican style white rice, and it's so flavorful and it goes good with any dish. Okay, let's start. These are the ingredients that I use to make this delicious rice Mexican style that comes out so puffy, soft, with so much flavor. It's so delicious. Okay, we're gonna start with 3 cups of water, 2 cups of rice, 1 can of corn, and I already drained all the water. Actually this is half a small onion, just chopped in fine pieces, really fine chopped onion. We're gonna use oil, around 3 spoons, and we're gonna use 1 spoon of minced garlic, or you can use 2 or 3 garlic cloves, 1 spoon of chicken bouillon, or you can use salt if you want to use salt. But I like to use the chicken bouillon because it gives it a little bit more flavor. Half a cube, one of those bars of butter, or it has a measure here, 4 tablespoons of butter, and it's just like the cubes of butter, I guess, the bars of butter. And of course we're gonna use a pan that I have already warm, and we're gonna add the oil and the butter to this. And that's all the ingredients that we're gonna use to make this delicious rice. Okay guys, we're gonna start with the first step, which is to add the oil to the hot pan, and we're gonna wait until it's super hot, and then we're gonna add the butter. Around 3 spoons. Then we're gonna add the butter. Okay, I added the butter and I'm melting it with the around 3 spoons of oil. I use olive oil, but you can use any oil that you like. And also for the rice, I like to use the jasmine rice because it has so much more flavor and it comes out like so soft and puffy that is just delicious, but you can use any rice. Okay guys, the butter is completely melted. The next step is to add the rice. So I'm gonna start adding the rice. I added all the rice and I have my stove in high heat, and I'm just gonna stir it around until the rice is completely cooked. It's frying in the oil and the butter, and it's gonna turn from that clear white to a more milky white color, and it's gonna be completely fried. I'm gonna stir it so it fries all together. If you don't do this, then some of your rice is gonna start cooking faster than the other rice. So I'm gonna keep doing this until all the rice is completely fried. Okay guys, my rice is changing color from that clear color to the milky color, and this is when I like to add the onion and the garlic, so it starts frying a little bit and the flavors start coming out. I added the onion and the rice. I'm just gonna mix it. The onion and the garlic. I'm just gonna mix it so the flavors start coming out. It smells so delicious. Okay, now that the onion and the garlic is fried, I'm gonna add the water to my rice. I lower the temperature to medium right now, and I'm gonna add the water. Okay, I added the water and now I'm gonna put my heat in low heat, all the way to low heat, and I'm gonna add the corn and the chicken bouillon. Okay, I added the chicken bouillon and the corn, and now I'm just gonna mix it good. I'm gonna put the lid on and I'm gonna let it simmer for around 20 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna check on my rice to make sure it's not burning every 10 minutes, just to make sure it's okay without opening the lid. Okay guys, we're gonna leave it on low heat for around 20 to 30 minutes. Don't forget to be checking every 10 minutes. Do not open the lid until your rice is ready, or until you think it's ready, just to check. It's been exactly 20 minutes and I came to check on my rice for the second time, and I can tell it still has moisture just by looking at the lid, and it's steaming. So it's not done yet, and it's good. It doesn't need any more water. It's not burning. I can tell just by looking at the lid because it has a lot of moisture there. So we're gonna wait for 5 minutes and then check again. Okay guys, it has been exactly 30 minutes since I put my rice in low heat to boil and cook. Now I'm gonna open it to check. I can see it still has some moisture on it, so it's not burned. If it was getting burned or dry, you can hear it like crunchy and you don't see any humidity on your lid. So I'm gonna open it and check. You couldn't see anything, but let's check. Okay, that's better. All the steam. We open it and check, and look how delicious it looks. It's done. It's perfectly cooked. It's not falling apart. It's not smushy. It's not stuck to the bottom, as you can see. It's just perfect. Look how delicious. It smells so good. It took exactly 30 minutes to have the rice ready, and if I wanted to, I can leave it here for around 2 or 3 more minutes because it still has some moisture, but by the time it cools down, it's gonna be perfect. It's already perfect. It smells so good. Okay, let's get our plate ready. Okay, the rice is ready. It's perfect, and we're gonna serve it on the plate. This rice is not just like white rice. I guess it's white rice, Mexican style. It's gonna be kind of sweet because of the corn, sweet corn, and kind of a little bit salty, not too salty because we added the chicken bouillon, and it has such a good flavor because of the butter and the onion. Look how delicious. It didn't get stuck to the pan at all. It's perfect, puffy. And now we're gonna add some of the barbecue chicken that I cooked earlier. And our rice is ready. Look how perfect and delicious it looks. It has such a good flavor, and I'm having my rice with this barbecue chicken that I made today. So delicious, and I have the recipe in my channel. I hope you enjoy. You can have this rice with so many dishes, even just by itself. It's so tasty and so delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and ring the bell, activate the bell to keep following our recipes and get all of our new videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.